Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and this is my morning analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So US dollar yen did end up drifting up pretty high. I mean, I thought yesterday that it was potentially going to go down, touch the bottom of this channel. Now, I'm very confident about my analysis on the higher time frames. I personally do think that we are going to get a break of structure on the higher time frames. I think it is going to break this high right here. And if you either go to the weekly or you zoom out on the daily, I think that this is very likely going to now be in a uptrend, which will likely look something like this on the daily. So that makes me pretty bullish on the sort of time frames. Now, exactly how it's going to get there on the 1 hour time frame, I guess we don't really know for sure. I still think there is a chance this might drift down and touch the bottom of this channel before it actually does end up going up and breaking structure. We do have a little bit of dollar news today, so maybe that's what's going to cause this to go up. And we also do have some yen news this week, so maybe that's also going to help this go up and break structure to the upside. I would definitely keep an eye on it. Whether or not it's going to drift down and touch the bottom of this channel, I'm not really 100% sure. It seems to me like it more likely would make some sort of an ABC correction to this last wave up, make an ABC down, maybe touch the bottom of the channel, and then maybe end up going up and giving us that break of structure, which I think will confirm that the higher time frames really are in a big uptrend. So definitely keep an eye out for some more long opportunities. I would want to see a proper pullback before I go long. So hopefully it does drift down before it does end up pushing up to give us a more proper ABC correction to go long for. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.